Industrial PCBs are getting smaller and denser while still demanding higher reliability in challenging environments. This makes managing assembly, shielding, and interconnect choices even more critical to improving yield and overall performance. 3M helps support PCB design and assembly with materials and interconnect solutions that address process protection, electromagnetic compatibility, and connectivity in space-constrained systems that demand maximum uptime in challenging environments. 3M Polyimide Film Tape 5413 is a high-temperature tape with silicone adhesive designed for demanding applications such as PCB solder masking, offering strong dimensional stability, flame retardance, chemical resistance, and reliable performance under extreme heat. It also helps reduce adhesive transfer, which can simplify cleanup, lower rework potential, and improve overall productivity. Industrial applications are subject to electrical noise that can interfere with normal operation. 3M's AB3000 series EMI absorber and magnetic shielding material provides broadband absorbing performance with 300 kHz to 15 MHz EM field coupling and EMI absorption from 1 to 10 GHz. It's offered with thicknesses from 4 to 19.5 mils and with or without adhesive, providing shielding at the component, trace, and enclosure level to help deliver reliable, robust systems that operate correctly alongside other industrial machines. As designs become smaller and more feature-dense, compact, dependable interconnects are increasingly important. 3M ribbon cable wire mount socket 451 series and 3N shrouded board mount header 452 series offer a 1.27 mm pitch to help minimize PCB footprint. The 451 series is a ribbon cable wire mount socket assembly with an optional strain relief accessory, while the 452 series is a shrouded board mount header available with or without latch ejector features. Together, they provide a compact interconnect solution for reliable performance in space-constrained applications. Learn more at Heilind.com.